Hello YouTubers, multi-millionaires, millionaires, future millionaires, everybody that's watching. I want to do a quick video about being an entrepreneur and making money online. I do have a lot of different offers that are listed in the description below. You guys check them out, let me know what you think. Those are all hand-picked offers. My name is Ali, by the way, and I promote online entrepreneurship, basically anything you have to do with making money online. So if you're into that, if you're into making money online or interested in any of these further information or topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Share this video if you like it, and what else? If you have any comments, leave them below. Give me thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, however you feel about this video. And the most important thing, don't forget the link is in the description. I have a lot of different offers, and those are all hand-picked offers, and they're guaranteed to make money immediately. Some of them are free, some of them require a little bit of money, so it's up to you to decide which one is a good fit for you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Bye-bye.